about you. I'm struggling with a maneuver, feeling sore. I've been moving with my knees, can't take it no more. Tried coconut oil and some garlic paste, but now my body's feel like a bad toothpaste. Like the smoothest shed on a Saturday night. You play the big number, we'll set that right. I put on cream and some medicated talk, but it still stings like hell.